Muppattu Moovar amarkku munshende கப்பம் தவிர்க்கும் கலியே துயிலழாய் ஷப்பமுடையாய் திரளுடையாய் ஷத்தார்க்க வெப்பம் கொடுக்கும் விமலா துயிலழாய் ஷப்பென்ன மென்முலை செவ்வாய் சிறுமருங்குல் நப்பின்னை நங்காய் திருவே துயிலழாய் உக்கமும் தற்றொழியும் தந்து உன்மனாளனை இப்போதே எம்மை நீராட்டேலோர் எம்பாவாய். We have been seeing that function is God and the power behind that function is the goddess. The final destination is to reach work quality. By reaching the work quality, we also attain the power to perform the work. Work is at two levels, at the level of the nature and divine work. There are 33 energy centers who support the performance of work. We perceive objects in two different ways. Directly through observation or infer indirectly through various means. The direct observation is bhava pratyayaha and the indirect inference is upaya pratyayaha. Those inferred indirectly are also of two types. The fundamental particles or quanta, they are called devaha. And beyond quantum, they are called prakritilayaha. The quantum particles have further two divisions. Those that radiate waves, they are called suraha. And those who do not radiate waves, they are called asuraha. Now these suraha are 33 in number. The Kaushitiki Brahmanam beautifully talks about this. Trayastrimshadvai sarve devaha. These 33 devas form the energy centers which aid in working. They are both a part of our psychology and also the part of our body. The Rudra Lagunyasa beautifully brings out that all the devas are part of our body. प्रजनने ब्रह्मा तिष्ठतु पादयोर विष्णुस्तिष्ठतु हस्तयोर हरस्तिष्ठतु बाह्वोर इंद्रस्तिष्ठतु जठरे अग्निस्तिष्ठतु हृदये शिवस्तिष्ठतु कंठे वसवस्तिष्ठन्तु वक्त्रे सरस्वती तिष्ठतु नासिकयोः वायुस्तिष्ठतु नयनयोः चंद्रादित्यौ तिष्ठेताम् कर्णयोर अश्विनौ तिष्ठेताम् ललाटे रुद्रास्तिष्ठन्तु मूर्ध्न्यादित्यास्तिष्ठतु शिरसि महादेवस्तिष्ठतु शिखायां वामदेवस्तिष्ठतु पृष्ठे पिनाकी तिष्ठतु पुरतः शूली तिष्ठतु पार्श्वयोः शिवा शंकरौ तिष्ठेताम् सर्वतो वायुस्तिष्ठतु ततो बहिः सर्वतोऽग्निः ज्वालामाला परिवृतस्तिष्ठतु सर्वेष्वंगेषु सर्वा देवता यथास्थानं तिष्ठन्तु मां रक्षन्तु. How beautifully the Lagunyasa, Rudra Lagunyasa brings out that these energy centers are a part of our body. Now, when we work at the level of the nature, then these energy centers, they devour a lot of efforts from us and the work also gets distributed at the various energy centers and stays at the level of the nature. But when we realize that the system is God, the process is God, and the invisible God has to take us towards the highest quality of work, because God has got zero defects and is full of qualities. When we are talking about His nature, we say that the Lord is Akhilaheya Pratyaneka Samasta Kalyana Guna Paripurna. Akhilaheya Pratyaneka means zero defects. Samasta Kalyana Guna Paripurna means He has got all the qualities. When we realize this and perform our work and offer the work to Him, offer the work to the entire society. At that point in time, it becomes divine work. Work at a higher level. Work at a higher space. Work at a higher place. Here, he instructs all the energy centers and sees to it that he takes the work onto himself as his offering. Andal in the Nachar Tirumudi beautifully says, Indiranullitta Devarkulamellam Vandirundanai Mahalpesha Vandirithu Mandirakodi Uduthi Manamalai Andareshutta Kanakanden Todinan. All the energy centers come and say, offer the work to me. When we offer the work to Sriman Narayana, at that point of time, it becomes divine work because he is the root, Kaliye, the root. The 15th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita starts as Urdhvamulam, Athashakam, Ashvattam Prahurabhyayam, Chandamsi Yasya Paranani, Yastam Veda Savedavit. A person who knows that he has to offer whatever he performs to the Lord, to the root, at that point in time, he ascends towards performing divine work. He develops the quality of frankness, Shappamudayai. He develops the quality of self-control. He is in control of himself because he is controlled by the root of this entire creation. All the impurities inside him, all the defects inside him gets eradicated. Vimala. The performance of work, through work, he de-stresses. Through work, he removes all his defects from inside, and work becomes worship, and work becomes delight. Now, the power behind this work takes over when we have the soft qualities of wisdom and disinclination. Wisdom through immersion in knowledge. Shappenna men mulai savvai thirumarungul. Men mulai is wisdom and disinclination. Shavai is inspired speech. The red lips of Napinnai, which Andal refers here, is shining like the rising sun. Every word what we speak has to be inspiring for people, like how the sun rises in the eastern horizon. Nappinna nangai tirube tuiladai ukkamum tattoliyum tandu. When we develop the power to perform the work, we realize about our own selves. It is like the mirror which shows us. That is, Tattoli is the mirror. The mirror gives our own identity. We realize our own identity. We realize our strengths. We realize our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. And also we equip ourselves with the tools to overcome the environmental forces. That is Ukkamum. The environmental forces which deter us away from performing the work, we get the tools so that we stop them and then go towards our final destination. In this verse, Andal beautifully speaks about how to perform divine work and how we can develop self-control, wisdom, disinclination. We need to offer our work to the root of all creation, the Purushottama. Namaskar.